Home Remedies presents. Every spoonful of this mixture is priceless. Thyroid function returns to normal. Every spoonful of this mixture is priceless. The function of the thyroid becomes normal and you feel the joy of life. A simple and healthy recipe for normal thyroid function. The thyroid gland is super important for the body. It controls or regulates metabolism. It produces thyroid hormones that regulate many biological functions and ensure proper health is maintained. When the thyroid gland becomes sluggish or overactive, it can lead to many problems. Walnut is a rich source of selenium and so it can help in boosting thyroid functions. Walnut is an excellent source of selenium that supplies body with the trace mineral to keep thyroid in balance. Gluten-free grains such as buckwheat helps in regulating thyroid disease. Grains with bran coats are rich in fiber and are rich in phytonutrients that help in detoxification. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 50 grams walnuts, 100 grams of buckwheat, 8 tablespoons, 100 grams of honey. Procedure: take the walnuts, wash them and dry thoroughly. Dry in the sun for 20 minutes. Then add in the blender and grind to powder. Now take buckwheat. Using a strainer, wash them thoroughly. Now dry them. Dry in the sun for 2 to 3 hours. Once dry, add in blender and blend to fine powder. Mix both the grinded ingredients in a mason jar or airtight jar and add honey to it. Mix thoroughly and your remedy is ready to use. Eat 1 tablespoon 3 days a week for 6 weeks. Then take a month break and continue again. Do not forget about allergic reactions. Consult your doctor. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.